Vakilsearch.com. Legal is now simple. This video is going to focus on vendor's agreement. A vendor's agreement is a binding legal agreement between two parties. It specifies the terms of a certain business arrangement. A vendor agreement between two businesses might specify that one business will provide the products to be sold and the other business will display the products for sale for a certain period of time. This agreement exists between individuals and businesses, such as for parties or weddings. These agreements help to protect both parties in the agreement and ensure that provisions are carried out appropriately. If you are a vendor, that is a person or a company that sells goods or services to another company, or you are the company itself who would like to allow vendors to sell products or provide services, then the vendor agreement documents the terms of your agreement. The key points to be included in a vendor agreement include date, time, and location where the services must be provided. What does a vendor agreement have to contain? The crucial components that your agreement should contain are the price, services, or products provided, what happens if something goes differently than planned, and the dates for delivery. A detailed description of the goods or services to be provided under the vendor contract and the terms of delivery or terms of service if service is the subject of the agreement. The agreed price for the goods or services provided, including any specific types of payment expected and when the payment is due. If privacy is a concern, then those terms should be present in the agreement. Specifics on how or when the contract can be terminated. Whether mediation or arbitration is preferred as a solution should one party breach the agreement, including the course of action to be taken to settle any differences between the two parties. Finally, the agreement should be signed and dated by all the parties, which makes it valid and enforceable. What happens if there is no vendor's agreement? The consequences to be suffered for any possible scenario will be up for contention. Both parties would not be protected against certain circumstances. Lack of a mechanism which ensures that the provision agreed upon are carried out properly. The process for getting a vendor agreement with Vakilsearch is very simple. Step 1. Our expert lawyers will get in touch with you to understand your requirement in detail. Step 2. Basic information would be required from your end to commence the process. Step 3. Once all the information is provided and the payment is received, our lawyers will start working on your document. Step 4. You will receive the first draft of your watertight legal document within 4 working days. Step 5. You can review the document and get back to our team in case of any changes. Our experts will work with you till the draft is finalized to your satisfaction. Our professional charges for drafting a vendor's agreement will be $2,799 plus service tax. The charges may vary in case of customization. Lastly, the big question, why Vakilsearch? Here is why. Because we are pioneers in legal document preparation. We are a large team of 200 plus experts. We are 70% cheaper than any comparable lawyer in your city. One-point service solution for lawyer, chartered accountant and corporate secretary. All documents are prepared promptly. We meet strict deadlines. Quality is our top priority. And of course, our 1,20,000 partners and clients speak for us. To name a few, CII, Taxi for Sure, Housing.com, the list goes on and on.